You are welcome to e-learning platform of Better Faith Group of Schools. My name is Mr. Isidame Pomosa. I'm taking on the class GSS1, subject Social Studies, on the topic Social Issues. Remember, before now, we have gone through series of topics, let's say about 3, 4, this make it the fourth one. The first one, socialization. The other one, agent of socialization. The third one, road safety club as an agent of socialization. And today, we are looking at social issues. Why is it called social issues? Just as you can see right behind me on the whiteboard, the social issues are issues because they are called also known as problem. Social issues is a problem that influences many citizens within a society. A thing that gives a man discomfort, that make man feel uncomfortable, can be regarded as social issues, especially within the society. And you can see, I wrote here that social issue is a problem that influences many citizens within a society. And I also wrote again, I said an issue. When you use that word an issue, it means either at a point of argument or discourse. It becomes a point of argument because it's an issue to the society. And again, I use the word social, which means when you talk about society, it is the way society organizes itself. Therefore, it's not regarded as an issue in the society, a problem in the society that makes many citizens uncomfortable or which influences the society negatively, either directly or indirectly. And I will say that what are some of the examples listed here? I said one, or better still, examination malpractice is a social issue. Examination malpractice. We'll get to it later. Then 2, courtesy. These are 2 listed examples on the board to prove to us that it's actually a social issue of discourse or argument in a society. Then I will say that around the board types of social issues and problems. I said the following types of social issues and problems are 1, HIV and AIDS. HIV and AIDS. What is HIV? We said HIV means human immune deficiency virus. Yes, human immune deficiency virus. As you can see, the virus that causes the acquired immune deficiency syndrome causes the acquired immune deficiency syndrome known as AIDS. A-I-D with X attached to it, known as AIDS. Now, it becomes known as AIDS. Why? Because the virus itself kills the immune system in a part of a human being. I know we are looking at social study, but biologically we now discover that as a result of the kill or the system being affected or exposed, because the HIV has causes the virus to go in to destroy the body or the system, those soldiers in the system that are supposed to fight against every form of infection and diseases. Once it's been tampered with, this now leads to various infections and diseases in the body. So HIV and AIDS is one of the types of social problems. Number 2, examination malpractice. Remember when I started the example earlier on, I said we'll come to that later. Examination malpractice. All form of cheating, whether directly or indirectly, whether even though it's not in academic sect, let's say generally, every form of cheating is a malpractice. So, for instance, now look at this examination malpractice. We are saying that form of cheating directly or indirectly, or better still, I put on the board. It is a system where students cheat to pass exams. So this sort system is known as what? Examination malpractice. It's now examination malpractice known as what? Social what? Issues, which is now method or better still way of discussant all over the country today. It's a major problem. So it's a social what? Issue. And again, I wrote on the board, number 3. Remember the first one I stated was HIV and AIDS. The second one is examination malpractice. The third one is child abuse. Yes, child abuse. A child can be abused physically. A child can be abused sexually and emotionally. And at the end of it all, when there is emotional maltreatment of children, either by parents or guardians, is regarded as what? Child abuse. Sexually, when they are what? Abused or sexually aroused, is also referred to as what? Child abuse. Whether in the family, whether in the church, whether in the school, whether in the marketplace, whether along the street, child abuse is child abuse, and it's evil, and it should desist from. Again, according to the topic from what you have been looking at, I said child abuse, every form of assault, physically, sexually, emotionally, and otherwise, is referred to as well child abuse, whether by parents or guardians, by whosoever. Child abuse, child abuse. And I said number 4, courtesy. The word courtesy came out from the word secret courts, which later metamorphosed from one level to what? Another. And this courtesy per se originated or started in the year 1952 by the man known as Wole Soyinka. He was called Capone, a leader of a group. The purpose of that group was to fight against or bring out a revolution to fight against or fight for the poor, against the maltreatment against the poor. But now today it has turned to something what? Even more evil than we expected. And again, having said that, I like what I placed on the board. Though it started at the University of Ibadan, that same year I stated before, 1952, it was a harmless organization, a social organization to better the life of what? The people or co-students in the campus and the society. But today, it's now a nefarious act. But having said that, remember that from what we have on the board, the topic titled as what? Social what? Issues is a problem that influences many citizens in the society. And a practical example is what? Examination malpractice and courtesy. And I said the types of social issues on the board, like HIV and AIDS, known as what? Human immune deficiency virus. HIV and AIDS acquired what? Acquired immune deficiency syndrome, known as AIDS. Then number 2, we have examination malpractice. Every form of cheating is known as what? Malpractice. But because it's a school setting, pronounced at this form as examination what? Malpractice. Where students cheat to pass what? Exams. It's known as that. Now, we have child abuse as number 3, where I told people physically, sexually, emotionally, every form of harassment of a child known as child what? Abuse. And again, courtesy, also known as what? Secret courts. Having said that, please remember, don't always forget, get your pen and paper. We have on the board practice exercise. Like we have here, number 1, what is social issues? What is social issues? Number 2, I said list 4 types of social issues and problems. List 4 types of social issues and problems. Please, as I've earlier said, get a pen and paper. Thank you.